Pooja from Saraswati Group of Education. In the previous two sessions, we go through new words of poem 1 and we understood the poem. In this poem, there are two little young ones. One is little baby bird, that is birdie, and the other is little baby, that is baby girl. Here the birdie is saying to her mother in her nest at peep of day, means early in the morning. What birdie is saying to her mother is that she wants to fly. But the birdie is too small. Yes, so her mother said that, Birdie, you have to rest a little longer until your wings get stronger. So the birdie listened to her mother and she rested some more days. And after that, her wings get stronger and she fly away. On the other hand, the baby girl is saying something to her mother. In her bed at peep of day is early in the morning. When sun rises, the baby is saying that, like little birdie, I also want to fly. Here, fly means the baby wants to run and walk. Like mother bird said to the birdie that you have to rest for some more time until your wings get stronger. In the same way, here the mother of the baby is saying that you have to sleep a little longer until your limbs get stronger. Here, limbs means hands and legs. Yes? Her mother said that you have to sleep little longer until your hands and legs get stronger. And the baby listened to her mother and she sleep for some more days. And she fly away as her limbs get stronger. Here fly away means the baby started running and walking. Okay, because the baby doesn't have wings. Yes, human beings cannot fly. So here fly, baby wants to fly means baby wants to run and walk. So, what we learn from this poem is, like human beings, animals and birds also have their family. And like your mother takes care of you, in the same way, the birds also takes care of their young ones. Now, let us begin with the exercise of this poem. Right now, you don't have to write anything. Just pay attention over here, listen carefully, understand all the things what I am saying. In your CW book, we will write vocabulary words which we had understood in session 1. And in the textbook, we are going to solve exercise in page number 4, question number A1, A2 and A3. And in page number 5, we are going to solve question B. Now, let us solve the exercise question A1. Circle the correct words. Here there are 5 questions are given. In each questions there is 2 options are given. Out of 2, you have to choose the correct answer and make circle on it. Question 1. The little bird is in its bed or nest. BED bed or NEST nest. Where does little birdie is sitting? Or where does bird lives? In the bed? No. In nest. Bird lives in the nest. So, circle the word nest. The little bird is in its nest. Alright. Number 2. The little bird is talking to its aunt or mother. With whom does the little bird is talking? Is it talking to its aunt? No. It is talking with her mother. So, circle on the word mother. The little bird is talking to its mother. Now, question number 3. The little bird's mother tells it to rest or fly a little longer. What does the mother of little birdie tells her? To rest a little longer or to fly a little longer? Yes, you are right. The bird's mother tells it to rest a little longer. So, circle the word rest. R-E-S-T, rest. The little bird's mother tells it to rest a little longer. Why? The mother bird tells birdie to rest because the birdie's wings are not that much strong. Yes, the birdie is too small. So the mother bird tells it to rest a little longer. Now question number 4. The little baby is sleeping or talking? What is the little baby doing? Sleeping or talking? Yes, the little baby is also talking with her mother. Right? So, circle the word talking. Make circle properly. Okay? The little baby is talking. Now, number 5. And what does little baby is talking? Do you remember? Yes, little baby is talking that like little birdie, I also wants to fly. Right? Okay, now move to the question number 5. The little baby has little wings or limbs? Listen carefully. The question is little baby. Little baby has little wings or limbs? What does little baby has? Does a baby has wings? No, a baby has limbs, right? So, circle the word limbs. The little baby has little limbs. Now, move to the question A2. Question A2, that is, fill in the blanks. What do you think the little baby is, a boy or a girl? Do you know the little baby is boy or a girl? Okay, let me say. The little baby is a girl. How can we know? You can see in the poem, in the last paragraph, last two lines. If she sleeps a little longer, baby too shall fly away. So here the word she, S-H-E, is used for a baby, so that we can say that the baby is a girl. Okay, so our answer is a girl. Write down G-I-R-L, girl. Write with neat and clean handwriting. Okay? Number 2. What does the little bird want to do? Little bird को क्या करना था? The little bird wants to dash away. Yes, you are right. The little bird wants to fly. Okay? So, write down in the blank, fly. The little bird wants to fly away. Number 3. What does the mother bird is saying to the birdie? Yes, you are right. The birdie is too small. So her mother said that you have to rest. Okay? So the mother said to the birdie to rest. Okay? So write down in the blank, rest. R-E-S-T, rest. The mother tells the little bird to rest. When does the little baby and the birdie both are wake up? Do you remember? Yes, the little baby and the birdie both are wake up early in the morning. That is peep of the day. Right? So we will write the little baby gets up at the peep of day. So in one blank write down P-E-E-P peep and other blank D-A-Y day. The little baby gets up at the peep of day. Alright? At the end of this video lecture, you will get a worksheet so you can copy from that. Okay? Let's move to the question A3, that is think and answer. Question 1. What does the little bird need? Little bird को किसकी नीड थी? स्ट्रॉन्ग डैश स्ट्रॉन्ग विंग्स की जरूरत थी, राइट? द मदर बर्ड इज सेइंग दैट यू हैव टू रेस्ट अ लिटिल लॉन्गर. व्हाई? बिकॉज टू गेट हर विंग्स स्ट्रॉन्गर. So, what does the little bird need? The little bird needs a strong wings to fly. So, we will write wings. What does the little bird need? Strong wings. Number 2. What does the baby need? Baby को किसकी need थी? strong dash and dash. Baby wants to do running and walking, right? So, for running and walking, baby needs limbs, right? And for that, she need a sleep. First blank, write down limbs. What does the baby need? Strong limbs and sleep. Limbs, limbs, and sleep, sleep. Number 3. What will give strong wings and strong limbs? Good dash. Strong wings and strong limbs के लिए बेबी और बर्डी को क्या करना पड़ेगा? Yes, they have to rest. They have to sleep, right? So we will write sleep in the blank. Good sleep. They need good sleep for strong wings and strong limbs, right? Okay. Now let us move to the page number 5. Okay. Now in page number 5 there is question A4, that is learn interesting things. Day is a word that rhymes with say. Now find other words from the poem that rhyme with say. First of all, what is rhyming words? Day, say. Yes, this is the rhyming word. Rhyming words are the words that have similar ending sound. Okay, day, say, think, link, right? So, here in question A4, that is, it is given that with the word say, what other word is given in the poem? Other rhyming word of say is anyway. Say anyway. Okay, so the ending sound is same in both the words. Write here anyway. Say anyway. Say way. So the rhyming word ends with the similar sound, that is say way. Now create. Question B. Read these lines. Okay, here the paragraph of the poem is given at the end of the each line. Cat, fat, rat, mat, right? Let us read these lines. The little brown cat was very fat. It loved to chase the grey rat and sleep on the red mat. So you can see at the end of the each line, rhyming words are given. Cat, fat, rat, mat. And all the words ending sounds are same. So these words are called rhyming words. Fill in more rhyming words. Okay, here there are two rhyming words are given, and we have to write more rhyming words related to that. Okay, which ends with the similar sound. So the first one is Joy, joy, Toy, toy. So we can write more rhyming word related to that. So write down Boy, boy, comma, Soy, soy, joy, toy, boy, soy. Okay, so you can see all the words are ending with similar sound, not similar spelling, okay? Similar sound. Number 2, Jet, jet, pet, pet. So, write down set, met, jet, pet, set, met. Now, number 3, big, big, dig, big, dig. Write down two more rhyming words. That is, so, big, dig, fig, wig, big, dig, fig, wig. Next, number 4, pen, ten. Write down two more rhyming words. den, men, pen, ten, den, man. Number 5, fed, red, fed, red. Add two more rhyming words. Write down led, comma, shed, fed, red, led, and shed, shed. Number 6, caught, got. Add two more rhyming word. That is caught, got, bought, flaught. So here our textbook exercise is complete. Now in your CW book you have to write vocabulary words. But before that, give heading Poem 1. First letter of the word poem will be in capital P, in capital OEM. Poem 1. Write down the name of the poem. Write down the name of the poem. Each word of the name of the poem will be in capital as I have written. Write down properly with neat and clean handwriting and give subheading vocabulary. First letter, that is V, in capital VOCABULARY. Vocabulary. Number 1, builds, which means to make something. All the words first letter would be in capital. You don't have to write meaning of these words. Just you have to write the words and learn the spellings of all these words. Next, number 2, BIRDIE, birdie. Birdie is the word used for little baby bird, right? BIRDIE, birdie. Number 3, peep of day, which means sunrise. P capital, double EP, peep, OF of, DAY, peep of day. Number 4, FLY, fly. Fly, which means something that moves with air. Now, number 5, WINGS, wings. Wings are the body part of birds. And wings gives birds the ability to fly. Number 6, RISE, rise. Rise, which means wake up. RISE, rise. Number 7, LIMBS, limbs.
limbs, which means hands and legs of human beings. So write down limbs, limbs. Number 8, rest, rest. Rest, which means to relax. Rest, rest. So these are the vocabulary words which you have to write in your CW book as I have written, and write with neat and clean handwriting, okay? And you have to complete this textbook exercise, that is page number 4 and 5, and in CW book vocabulary words that you have to complete within 2 days.
At the end of this video lecture, you will get PDF of this exercise so that you can copy vocabulary words in your CW book, and this exercise you have to copy in your textbook. Bye everyone.